Welcome viewers. Today I'm going to show you how you can actually make money from an app that you did not build. So you don't need to do the coding anymore, you don't need to blog, you don't need to pay for, you don't need to learn how to code. All you have to do is watch this video to the end and you successfully earn from app you didn't make without any credit to any maker. So the tool we are going to use today, we are going to be using the tool in the Google Play Store called the APK editor. We are going to be using this tool to decompile any application and recompile it back with our ads displaying on it. Basically, before doing this, you don't need to learn how to code, you don't need to learn anything. You are expected to watch this video for proper documentation. So first, if you have the app installed, just launch. But if you don't have the app in your phone, you just go to the Google Play Store and search APK Editor Pro. Please know that there are various versions, the normal and the pro. The pro it can only be used for editing. Only the pro you can use for editing. The others don't do so much editing like we want to do. So right now, just move straight to select our APK. So select, you can either select from file or from your installed app, your Android vending. So you can just select here, that's that. So normally I will have selected from APK file, but I don't keep those files in my phone. Once I install an application, I usually delete it. So let's check what I have in my apps, in my installed app. So okay, let's say before cloning an application, before changing or before you monetize any application, before you do an edit to an application, always enable to clone so that if anything goes wrong, you have something to go back to. So like you see my app, this is the original app, this is the clone app, and now I've already cloned this app. I want to monetize it. So if something goes wrong with this, as I work with APK editor, I can come back and clone this again and again, just in case you are the type that is careless. So I'm going to take on the clone version, which is this. This is actually the clone version, so I'll just click on it. It's full edit resources, remember, click on full edit resource rebuild, then you click on decode all files. You wait. So in your APK editor, you are going to see 3 tabs layout below. You're going to see the string, seeing the files and the manifest. So basically the strings are for options in the app. Those things you see, those are the strings. When we want to monetize an app that we did not build, when we want to implement ads on this app, we don't need to do anything here. And right after it is the files. The files contain the major things of the app, and that is where we are going to do our ads. After the files, we have the manifest. So the manifest is the demonstration of the application on XML file, just like you have web XML. So the manifest of an Android is the major of it. So we are not going to do anything with the manifest because everything already exists. We are only going to replace ads unit, and we are not initiating anything. There's no need to go right here. We are going to focus on the files. So click on it. In your file, you see different things. You can search a specific file if you want. You can do so many things. So right here, there are so many options, but we're not doing anything with them. You just click on smiley icon. So let's click on that. So wait, why this progress continue? When this smiley So we are going to see here that successfully decode the exercise. So let's give it a few minutes for the exercise to decode. You have to be patient in this part. It cannot be accelerated or decelerated. So you just need it works with how your phone works. So you just need to be patient with it. Waiting, 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 waiting. To have patience with so many long, but it depends on the type of phone you use, the type of device. This is a lower version, I guess that's why it's so like this. Might be fast and slower, who knows? Successfully decoded. Smiley have there was a tux here, but I had to pause the video, so I didn't play it earlier to see the toast that was here. But just know that there was a toast here. So you can see the options have increased. We didn't have up to this before. You can seek the video backward to see what I'm actually saying. So you have multiple options now, and your Android manifest including, so you have everything. What you're going to do, there are so many things. We have Smiley, Smiley classes, Smiley class 3, Smiley class 4, unknown, Android manifest, XML, classes the dex, classes 2.8, classes 3 dex, classes 4. You can see that. And we also have the add file, add folder search, the T, and the check search. So all we actually need to do is click on this text box, and what we're going to do actually depend on which network we are going to monetize with. Of course, I know that more than 50% of us are all going to monetize with ad mode. So let's say you are going to monetize with start app. You have to know how start app ID format looks. So you just write the start app ID inside. You just click go and it will search it. So first of all, we are going to search all the ad mob ad. Assuming I know that 50% of all of us are going to do ad mob. So search locate the ad mob ad in this application. So we'll do that by writing the prefix of ad mob code, CA hyphen pop CFN app hyphen PUB hyphen again. This doesn't remember. Then after doing this, click on make sure this letter is checked. Click on the search icon. It's searching now. You have to wait. See all the option, everything, all add move codes, they are all out here. You see all of them. So in this application, we have all of them. You know that ad move actually offer three kind of ad. We have the ad move interstitial, the banner, and the rewarded video. So when you want to replace ad units, you have to be careful with which one you wish to replace. If you want to monetize the app with the three ads, you have to be sure of the position the ads are. So the first one is the add move interstitial. You can see it written in this list view layout. The other one, add banner, and the rewarded video, they are all smiling. So let's click on the interstitial ad, which is the first one, this very one. Click on it. It's in line 220. You are seeing it. Look at the various codes. You click on it. Line 220, 220. Here, it's line 220. You see line 220? These are line 220. So all you are going to do, this ad is an interstitial ad. The ad in this app, want to replace with us, you just copy this interstitial ad. This is actually a shortcut I'm going to show you. Copy this interstitial ad. Copy. Then you go back. Go back. Go back again. In this same text box, paste what you just copied. Search again. So at the end of our search results, we are going to see all the ads of interstitial. So we don't need to change. We don't know how many interstitial ads this guy may have implemented in this app. We don't have to start changing them one by one. We just search all of them and use this replace button that is here. Hope you get it. Let's wait for interstitial ad to search. Everything we are going to see, codes that we are going to see are going to be interstitial ads. This is our final result. We got to, since this guy built this app in Codula or something like that. So what we're going to do is go to our note in our phone. Go to our note. So we'll just go and copy, add move ads from our device. So wherever you keep the ads, maybe in the notepad or wherever you keep them. So you just go there, the banner. We are doing interstitial. Just copy the interstitial ads. Copy that. Copy. Let's see what I did. I highlighted the interstitial ads. This interstitial ad, and I'm gonna click on copy. Copy. Copy now. So go back to my APK editor. Paste what you just copied here and replace all of them with it. Are you sure you want to replace the give it that said okay? To file has been modified. See the code. Let's do it again. Okay, to files have been modified. Okay, so got it. Okay, to file modified. That's that. So we're done with our interstitial. So just go back. This other time We're going to search for the banner apps, banner ads. Let's go. So by the time we build this app, our interstitial ad will show. Searching. Trying to make this clear as